it Jackie Chan.
What's going on, guys? Better6 here. Welcome back to the channel for another great video. Today in this one, I first want to start out by saying I am so happy to announce that we have reached 500 subscribers on the STANGSAUCE YouTube channel. I'm so thrilled. You guys are the absolute best. You guys always like the videos. You guys comment down below. You stay pretty active. A lot of people follow me on Instagram, and I really like that. So, because I like that so much, we're going to be doing a giveaway. I am not 100% sure when the video will drop for the giveaway, because I still don't know if I want to do merchandise or if I would just want to do a car care product or something smaller for you guys. I don't think my channel is necessarily big enough for like t-shirts and, you know, apparel quite yet. Maybe, but I might have to stay away from that for a little bit. So it might be something smaller. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll have a video that comes out shortly within the next week or so stating what the giveaway is, how to be entered, and how to win. Without further ado, let's hop into today's video. As you guys know, it was the holidays, and Black Friday has came and now gone. It's December. I finally got all this stuff in that I ordered. One of the things was on back order, and it actually just came today. So that is right there. You guys drop a comment down below. What do you think this is? First things first, I can't do anything with what I'm about to tell you guys until this gets fixed. You can see how terrible that is. It's on both sides. Right here, I went to dipyourcar.com. We are going to be plasti dipping the whole Mustang. There is not too many people that have a channel or have content, regular content, based upon a plasti dipped vehicle. A lot of people have wrapped vehicles. A lot of people have plasti dipped vehicles, but there's nobody that provides regular normal content with a plasti dipped vehicle, and I want to be one of those people that does that for you guys. So in this box right here, we went ahead and went with the Pro Series or the Performance Series car kit. When you order the car kit, it comes with 2 gallons of your color and 2 gallons of the base color that has to get sprayed down. You get the Pro Sprayer kit, and this comes with everything you need in order to spray the car. You get a wash mitts and pre-dip spray, a mixer. There's something else that's in here, maybe some masking tape. The sprayer obviously is in here. Pre-dip spray, and then you have pre-wash that's also in there. I went ahead and also ordered, this was on Black Friday, and I've already opened all these. As you guys can tell, just covered them back up with masking tape. I went ahead and bought another accessory kit. This one has, as you can see right here, this one has the canvas wheel covers. So when I'm spraying the car, it'll all this will be covered up. You know, you won't have to worry about covering up my wheels. So that should be very nice. So unfortunately, I'm not going to tell you guys what color I got here, but just know there's a hint in this video somewhere as to what color it's going to be. And if you can find it out, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think it is. It will be a lot different than this. It's still a lighter color, but it'll be a lot different than this. So comment down below what you guys think what color I went with in here. And let's hop over to the next thing we got here. This just came in like a few days ago, and it's just been cold and rainy and nasty, and I just haven't made a video about it. So this came a couple days ago. As you guys can see, this is a pretty long, narrow box. What do you guys think this might be? It's obviously for the car. What do you think it might be? Does this brand ring a bell to anybody that's out there? This is actually upside down, so does this ring a bell to anybody that's out there? LVA. Well, I got a splitter for the car. There's a few options out there for aftermarket splitters, and this was one of the cheaper ones. Really good deal on Black Friday. Had to get it. I couldn't pass it up. It was like $75 off, and it was just a phenomenal deal, so I had to go and get it. But I think it's gonna look absolutely great up here. But the problem is I can't put that on until that gets put on, and that can't get put on until that over there gets fixed. So until that gets fixed, that won't be going on, and that's not going on. The reason why I'm not gonna put that on is because I don't wanna have to get any spray on there when I'm painting it, and I don't wanna have to mask it off. It'll just be easier, just leave it off, spray the whole car, then put it on later. So that is the game plan, and that's what we got for the car. One other thing that actually just got put on the car, and I never even showed you guys about it. All right, so as you guys can see, no longer the Mishimoto catch can. If anyone wants that, hit me up on Instagram at STANGSAUCE_. Get yourself a Mishimoto catch can if you just want it for the time being. Cheap, I'll let it go for like 50 bucks if someone wants it. But we went ahead and bought this. This is the UPR catch can. It is what everybody's using for their EcoBoost platform. You've got a tube right here. It goes to right in front of your turbo. That helps get the vacuum and boost, because the one before it was only working under one of those, so it really was kind of not as good as it could have been. Come down here, this line is draped around down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's draped right with this. We zip tied them together and it runs up to this side right there. And that goes to this line right here. This one goes all the way back around and goes underneath. It's a pain in the butt. I also went ahead and got the updated PCV plate for the EcoBoost. I don't know if it's actually made a difference, but I swapped it. And I had one check engine light, or check engine code, cleared it, hasn't came back, so no issues with that. Another thing I really get a lot of questions about is, when am I gonna fix this? Trust me, this will get fixed soon enough. Don't worry about that. Very minuscule. I know a lot of car people are out there hooting and hollering at me. Oh, you need to fix that, blah, blah, blah. It'll get fixed. Don't worry, okay? It'll be fixed. So, yeah, that's pretty much for today's video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys a Black Friday haul and what I got for the car and what's coming for the channel. Like I said, I'm at the mercy of Ford and waiting for another warranty claim to get the hood fixed. If not, I'll honestly just go buy another hood, because by the time you spend money to get that one fixed, you have to get the whole hood repainted. You're looking at probably $300 or $400 just to get it repainted. I could go get a brand new hood for $6 or $7 and then just spray it with the Plasti Dip and be done. And it'll look 100 times better anyways. So, I don't know. We'll see what kind of happens. But for now, we'll just play by ear, and that's kind of the game plan. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. We're at 500 subscribers. There will be a giveaway shortly. I will have a video that comes out to show you how to enter, how to win, all that good stuff. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. And as always, peace out.